So this is the 10-inch Android 13 car radio, which is compatible in this case with Ford F-150, Ford Expedition, has wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, backup camera, etc., etc. If you're looking for one of these, we'll drop the link down below. All right, so we just opened up this radio that we got. This radio is from Z-Link, and it includes CarPlay, MirrorLink. This one is specifically for an F-150, and you can order these for a bunch of different vehicles, but when you order them, they come with basically every piece of wiring you could need depending on what the car is currently equipped with. So if you have backup cameras and all that kind of stuff, factory subwoofers, those kind of things. So you get all the wiring. For different components and things. And you'll have to go through and see what you need. You also get a trim removal tool, that's nice. This is for a USB. So basically you have to go through and figure out what features you need on yours, and you're going to hook all that up. A user's manual, instruction manual, user manual shows you how to use all the different features of this specific radio unit. This is a microphone, and then you get the trim that goes around it. You get the mounting trim plate for that specific vehicle, so it's kind of an all-inclusive kit. And then the actual radio here, and the radio is basically just a screen because it doesn't have a CD player or anything in it, so it's really designed for media. So basically a TV that's going to get everything hooked up to the back of it and be able to play any of the media that you want to use. All right, so we're starting on the install here of this radio. Nice thing is it comes with a harness for the vehicle that you're installing in. So we're installing here in an F-150, and based on what features you have, you will not use everything. So we don't have, for instance, subwoofers or any of the premium audio stuff in this. So this harness piece is not going to be used. We plug in the main harness here. This is your power, speaker wires, things like that. And then we plug in this second harness here. Some of this will be used, some of this won't be used. So you get two manuals with it. One is just kind of a quick overview of what all the wiring that's included. The other one here, the user manual, has more information about what each wire does if you need that, and what all the harnesses do. So you're going to work through, figure out which harnesses you need for your vehicle. You won't end up using everything. All right, so we've got the microphone wire run, and that's hanging right here. Now we're running wire for, this does have a backup camera, so we're going to go ahead and run the wire for the backup camera as well. We're going to run that over underneath the dash as well, and then we'll run it underneath the trim pieces along the side over there, so we can run a backup camera. So we went ahead and ran the backup camera wire here. We're going to save the installation of the camera for another video down the road, but we wanted to go ahead and have it hooked up. So here you're going to hook up the red to this one that says reversing camera power supply. And we're going to go ahead and hook that up, and we're just going to cap the other side of that wire until we end up finishing that camera installation. But we want to get all the wiring done here so that when we put this all back together, we don't have to take it back apart to finish up that camera. And then I'm going to put a dolphin clip on them. These are just clips with teeth inside of them that also have a coating on the outside. All right, got that in there. So we've got our microphone wire. This is our backup camera wire. They've got a GPS one, which we're gonna install. We're just gonna stick this right up underneath here. Okay, then you got the mounting plate. Mounting plate comes in this kit. Mounting plate uses the same screws, factory screws. You know that you got it the right direction because it's got these little pins at the bottom. So it's going to give you the slant at the top. You use the factory screws to mount this. After this as well, so you put this in. So it's plastic. So you just run the screws in. You're not going to crank these down or it's going to break. So just kind of lightly tightening those up. Okay, got that mounted. We are going to put in this one, mostly just for the microphone. We are going to put in the USB ones, and we will mount those later as well. But we're going to get everything in place.
There now.
On F-150s, there is this lower sort of cubby that I actually didn't even know was there, so very rarely used. So for right now, I'm going to drop the USBs down into this section, and then we can mount those into that plate after this. Okay, then once we got all that in place, we're going to actually put the radio in its position. So we've kept this in the back the whole time so we don't scratch up the screen and everything. And now it's time to go in. Then on the back, all the plugs and a fuse. And so now it's time to plug all this stuff in. Make sure as you're plugging it all in that you're going through this mounting point so you don't have to redo it all in a little while. So the first thing we're gonna do is just get all of these wires into the right place. So we're gonna just start hooking stuff up. USB 1 and 2. They've got different plugs on those so you know which one goes to which one. Our camera input. We're just going through and hooking up every wire. We still have the GPS wire and the antenna wire. And the main harness wire. All right, now at this point, you have to make a decision because the screen is bigger than the hole. It will go through sideways and kind of at an angle. So we went ahead and slid it through, and we're gonna hook back up this face plate that goes around it, and then we'll finish making our connections. So I'm gonna hook back up the airbag wire now. Then we can move all these other wires out of the way. The good thing is this radio is so thin that you have tons of room back here. All this extra stuff. And then I just want to get this plate back in place. Sliding all those in. Then we have 2 more connections we need to make. These are the short connections. So that's our antenna cable and the main plug. All right, so back here on the back, we just hooked up this main harness here, and then the antenna one is the last one we're gonna do, and it is pretty short. Might actually have to get a little more wire from behind there, but we can make it work. And then once you do that, you're gonna just line up all the tabs and slide this into place. clicks in place. And there we go, we got it mounted. Then we got to hook back up the battery and we'll see what happens. Whoa. All right, so on startup, basically you got a computer here. There's all of our different options. Let's go ahead and try the radio.
Here's a hot throwback just for you. Got up before the alarm. Sunlight replacing the stars. Finding my phone in the dark.
So radio sounds good. Home screen button. You got all your options here. You can control the audio right here on the side of the panel too. You don't have to be inside of it to do that, but you can do it inside there as well. Phone features. You can swipe through. You got a menu for your Google Maps, whatever you'd like to use there. I think it looks really good. Only thing that I wish it had was I wish this had a tilt feature in it so that you could adjust it depending on glare and stuff. But the install was pretty easy. Biggest challenge was just figuring out all the different cables and everything, which ones we needed. Once we got that figured out, it went in easy. You can see you got lots of different options here for all the different things that it can do. And so if you're looking for a radio, you can check this one out. We'll put the link down below. And you can make your F-150 go from the old and ugly factory radio to the modern era. So thanks for watching. Check it out. Very clean installation, no gaps or anything like that. They give you everything that you need. So overall, great kit. Easy. Check them out.